Hey, fungi fanatics! Welcome back to the Fairy Ring, where we turn mushroom foraging into our favorite sport. Today, we're diving into the quirky world of cauliflower mushrooms, except these aren't vegetables, but are just as fabulous. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single spore-tastic moment. Alright, my fellow spore seekers, put on your mushroom hunting shoes, because we're about to groove our way through the woodlands in search of the elusive cauliflower mushrooms. Let's get down to business and have some fun while we're at it. Alright, mushroom mavens, let's dive deep into the glamorous world of cauliflower mushrooms. It's time to become the Sherlock Holmes of fungi and distinguish between Sparassis spathulata and Sparassis crispa. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's do this. First in our lineup is Sparassis spathulata, also known as the Beyonce of the mushroom stage. Picture this: fronds that look like they're straight out of a noodle dance party. Thin, long, and gracefully bunched together, these fronds are like the backup dancers in a music video. Their color is usually a pristine white to cream, making them the A-listers of the fungal red carpet. Now, let's talk about Sparassis crispa, the Lady Gaga of the mushroom scene. It's all about the contorted appearance, with curvy lobes that look like they've taken mushroom yoga classes. Spotting individual fronds here is like trying to find your keys in a chaotic handbag. Challenging. And don't forget the thick base that likes to play hide and seek underground. This mushroom is a true diva, making a statement wherever it grows. There's more to these fungi than their fancy appearance. Let's talk about their royal classification. They are classified in the kingdom Fungi, phylum Basidiomycota, class Agaricomycetes, order Polyporales, family Sparassidacea, and genus Sparassis. It's like their fancy pedigree for the mushroom aristocracy. They don't just taste good, they come with a royal title. And here's a little secret, my fungal friends. When you're out in the wild, look for a fruit body that resembles long and flat egg noodles scrunched together from a central base of the Sparassis, spathulata, or the contorted appearance of Sparassis crispa with its large number of flat and curvy lobes resembling cauliflower. If you're still feeling uncertain, remember this: Sparassis spathulata tends to have a more delicate noodle-like appearance with smooth frond margins, while Sparassis crispa is the wild child, all contorted and boasting a thick base that's not afraid to play in the dirt. It's like telling a classic fairy tale, one mushroom at a time. Now, to find these sneaky mushrooms, you have to think like a detective. Sparassis spathulata loves the hardwood scene, while Sparassis crispa is more of a conifer connoisseur. So, grab your magnifying glass, put on your detective hat, and Sherlock your way to mushroom gold. Remember, mature woodlands are like the VIP section: bigger trees and bigger flushes. It's like the cauliflower mushrooms are hosting a woodland party, and we're all invited. Now let's talk cooking, because who doesn't love a good mushroom meal? Saute these beauties in butter, the Michael Jordan of mushroom recipes. But hey, if you're feeling fancy, these mushrooms play well with others in more complex dishes. Stay tuned for a future video where we turn cauliflower mushrooms into the rock stars of the kitchen. Now, let's put on our mushroom detective glasses and talk lookalikes, because believe me, not all fungi are created equal. Here are a few impostors trying to crash the cauliflower mushroom party. First up, we have Sebacina schweinitzii, the false coral mushroom. Sounds like a Hollywood drama, right? This sneaky character can be mistaken for Sparassis spathulata, but it has long, flat branches that look like they're competing in a gymnastics routine. Unlike our cauliflower friends, this one is more related to jelly fungi than coral mushrooms. Imagine expecting a cauliflower and getting jelly. Talk about a culinary plot twist. Next on our list, we have Hydnopolyporus palmatus, the jagged edge lookalike. This one should be considered the ninja of the mushroom world, rare, but can surprise you. While it tries to mimic our cauliflower buddies, it has thinner fronds that can be a bit jagged along the edges. It's like cauliflower's rebellious cousin with a punk rock vibe. Edibility? Unknown. If you stumble upon this rebel, save it for your local Mushroom Society's scientific research. They'll appreciate the mystery. Last but not least, we have Podoscypha aculeata, the ridge runner. This rare species occasionally pops up. showing off fronds a bit larger than our cauliflower mushrooms. The upper surface of its fronds tends to be ridged or veined, giving it a textured look. Again, the edibility is a mystery, so if you spot it, let's save it for science. So, my fellow mushroom detectives, when you're out there in the woods, keep your eyes peeled for these lookalikes. It's like a mushroom masquerade, and we want to make sure our cauliflower celebrities aren't photobombed by these imposters. There you have it, my fabulous fungi aficionados, mushroom hunting, a bit of comedy, and a dash of knowledge. A perfect combo. If you had a blast, give this video a mushroom-shaped thumbs up, share it with your fellow foragers, and comment with your favorite mushroom pun. Until next time, keep it fungi-tastic, and may the fungi be ever in your flavor.